We all know how much important role does the term security play in our life, whether it be a life security or family security or career or bank security or whether it be a home and house security and etc. Security is important as it safeguards us from threats. The same thing goes for our devices or systems. As our smartphone contains lots of sensitive data, so security of the devices is one of the important concerns for us. So in this video, we will see the pros and cons and the risk involved in allowing unknown source installation option in our device and how can we secure our device from such risk. So let's start the video. Firstly, let's see what is unknown source installation. Well, if you know this then you can skip this part, but if you don't know then don't worry. This short explanation will make it clear for you. So unknown source installation means the installation of files which can be apps, APKs, videos, images and etc from unknown sources, that means from any developer or publisher, or from the sources which does not belong to Google Play Store or from pre-installed app store of your device. Now, as we know what this option signifies and what this option means, so it would be easy for us to distinguish between its pros and cons and the risk involved in it. Let's see its pros. The first one is apps can be downloaded from various sources, and the second one is better deals for apps may be found, and the third one is apps which are not available can be availed if they are available on other sources. Please note, if you have watched video up to here, then don't let further part as these pros comes with equal cons. It depends how we use them. And if you want to leave, then after cons you can leave the video. And if you find it worthy, then please like, share and subscribe. That goes on. Well, now let's see its cons. The first and foremost is security breach. That means violation in security. Now you may be thinking how this is possible. So as we know, if you are installing apps from unknown sources, then it depends how real or genuine the source is. If the source is trusted or authentic, then it is fine. But if the source is unauthentic, then the chance is that it may contain malicious programs which can violate security of your device and which will harm you and your device too. The second is data leak or data theft, which also comes under security. So in total, the cons is about security. Now the question is, what should you do? Should you turn on or should you turn off the unknown source installation? So here the answer is, well, this depends on what kind of user you are. If you use only Google Play Store or other pre-installed app store for installing apps, then you can turn it off. But in case if you use other sources too to install apps in your device, then you should be careful while doing so. So here are some ways which will help you in using unknown source installation feature safely. The first is install from trusted or authentic source. The second is use some kind of antivirus software. The third is never install from those links whose sources or origin you don't know, that means they are unverified. The fourth is take help of genuine reviews. So this was all in this video. Hope now you are clear with this feature. So if this was helpful, then please drop a like and share the video and subscribe the channel. And if you have any suggestions, then comment down below. Till now, thanks for watching.